my Stitchy family. I am making this video to wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have an awesome Christmas, festive season, and all the joy and happiness to you. Now today this video is about Christmas. It's Christmas Day and we're celebrating, and then I want to show you what's upcoming for the new year. Now everything's been stacked on the couch, so we might have to look through them, and my glasses next to me for in case I need them. Now this year has been up and down, you guys know that, but we've got a proper schedule for next year, and I'm going to show and chat to you. If the kids come in the background, someone come in the background, well, Merry Christmas. Now let's have a look. We are going to continue. I just wanted to get this on the go because everyone is very busy this side. Let me show you. So Mondays we will still do the birth of baby Jesus stitch along. Let me show you. I haven't seen you guys for so long. It feels like a year. It's not a year. I think I've seen you on my birthday. I don't know. But the birth of baby Jesus, that will be our permanent Monday stitch. Mondays is permanently this. Unboxings will come and go. They will be there when they're there. They'll be extras on top of what I show you now. But first of all, look at this. Merry, what's it saying? Maui Christmas, Mewy Christmas. It's cats. But look, that one looks like Lola. Yeah. And my horns. And I've even got Christmas earrings. Alright, so Monday's done. This is our stitch along for Mondays. Then, what did I think about Tuesdays? Let me just organize all these things. Because I had to move, they were packed exactly the way I wanted them in where my workstation is, but that didn't work out because I asked everyone to help me, and then this is what I ended up with. Now I know what that is. I know what that is. I know Wednesdays. Oh, yeah. Okay. So Tuesdays. And I'm going to give you direct dates for it yet. When is the dates for January? I don't know the exact dates. I will post the dates and I will let you know about the exact dates when we're going to start all these stitch alongs. It's January. But I don't think the 2nd, yeah, from the 3rd, we will start with all the stitch-alongs because we are all over the show, but it will happen. Now, on a Tuesday will be streets, I can't pronounce that. It will be Streetscape, that Joy Sunday one. Let me show you. I know Liza has done this one, or she has come far with it already. But this is our Tuesday stitch along. And you can do it in any count you want. And if you don't want to do a stitch that I'm busy with, you don't have to. You can just do whatever you like, as long as you enjoy it, right? Okay, so that is, mine is a 14 count. I know VIP, they sell them in 11 count, but it's your preference. Whatever you want to do, this is our Tuesday stitch along. I'm very excited about our Wednesday stitch along. Let me just put everything back, otherwise it's going to be a mess. When I move these little bells, look, I'm going to come closer, look at them. When I move, the bells on my head go cling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. As you know, this is a pre-recording, so that I've got something for you on Christmas Day. Now on Wednesdays, now this can change. There's a reason for it, but I'll tell you now. Where is it? They can talk, but they don't want to talk. It's okay. They come in there and they're like, shh. Alright, so Wednesdays is becoming a special day. It is dedicated to Wattobizz cross stitches. Sandy, you know, the Wattobizz owner, very darling person. On a Wednesday, it's gonna be Wattobizz Wednesdays. Now here's the predicament. I am gonna do on a Wednesday, depends on how I feel like, So on a Wednesday, you can do anything you like, or there's almost all of us have, we've got a Wattobizz stitch. So I'm going to go in between these. So this is CC. CC means blind, but this lady, she's blindfolded, so it means blind. So CC is one of them, and Stacy is another. But wait, let me see if this is Stacy. Everything's so confused. Oh, I didn't put her in a nice packet. Stacy is another. And then, all right, so, but I've seen there might be something else that I will start before what I show now. There is another stitch along. Oh, look at me looking for something to lean against. There's another stitch along with a friend I'm gonna do, and she does fairies. So this one will also be done, but I'll work on her whenever. But this is for my stitch along. Let me see, where's that one? Just hold on, I'm a bit, okay, what is this one? Boogie Stitcher, she is stitching a Faye stitch along. So this one I'm going to start with my Faye stitch along. And then there will be another one that I'll probably start, but I'm not going to tell you, she's on her way. I'm going to show you as soon as she comes. I'm super, super excited, and she is beautiful. So that was Wattobizz Wednesdays. Now on a Thursday, we are not doing something specific. It is specific, but it's not cross stitch. On a Thursday, we are going to do embroidery. So I did a few little pieces of embroidery unboxings, and on a Thursday no, I'm lying, it's not Thursday. Sorry. Scrap it. Thursdays stays this one. It stays this one. Whew. You see, I had to write it down. It's so many. I planned it so nicely and I thought I'm missing something. I'm so sorry about that. So Thursdays are staying this masterpiece. Peacock Thursdays. So it is a massive one. It is massive. So Peacock Thursdays. Let me just get the picture for you. I started this one this year on a 16 count, but my friend Wasifa's going to do the 16 count, and I am going to do the 11 count. And the 11 count is life size. It is as tall as me, literally. So that is on a Thursday. Then now we come on a Friday. Here we go. We're not done yet. There's more news. So on a Friday, we're going to do embroidery. Alright? I didn't pack this away. This one's so big, you can't put it in another bag. I've got Kidzilla as well, but Kidzilla, they're not on the menu for now. I have to put it in a whole, whole bag. There's no other way. It is ginormous. Alright, on a Friday, it's Embroidery Fridays. And that's where we're going to do all the embroidery. We're going to start with a simple one, and then we can do some gold leafing, and we can do some needle painting. I will show all of that. So Fridays I dedicate to Embroidery Fridays. Alright, now that's not it. It's a full menu, so hold on. So on weekends, if there is time for a stitch along for subscribers. Now there's a difference between subscribers and members. Subscribers are free, and then members, it's a very small fee, and you become a member and there's perks, but we'll get to that later. Now on a weekend, if I do a stitch along for my subscribers, this is what we're doing. I am doing the little mermaid gnome. I want to do this one. So I'm doing the Little Mermaid gnome on weekends when I do for subscribers, okay? So in between all of this is also happening. I am actually doing this with a friend, so it's a full menu. I'm doing this with my very dear friend Emma. I'm doing this. Oh, that's what's gonna help. Me and Emma has got a name for it, but it's not suitable to say it on camera. But me and Emma is gonna do this. There you go. Now let's talk about the rest. This is gonna be for my members only. Now members only is unfortunately you join and only members see that video. This year I started it off, it went slow and I just lost track, but it won't happen again. I'm just glad this year is over. I promise you, this year is gone and it's now new beginnings. So with the members will have a video on Saturday and Sunday. Some of it will be the mermaid stitch along that we're busy with. Some of it will be this. I'm doing the Ukrainian beading kit on the members videos. I'm starting with that one. Okay, so it is the mermaid and then the Ukrainian beaded one. So I'm very comfortable here today. You can see I'm having fun sitting here. So it's this one. It's the mermaid. There was something else. There was something else. Now I can't think. I just had it in my head. So it's the mermaid, the beaded. But you'll see there's another thing I'm going to do with members. And then what I'm saying is Saturday and Sunday. Members will have videos every Saturday and Sunday. I don't have to record them on weekends. I've got plans for them. So members will do this beading one. They'll do the mermaid one. And then of course some of my personal life. Now personal life, I've got permission from one shop to show you what kind of groceries are in there, show you that. And then I asked Mike to walk around with me because they grab your phone. It's very dangerous to do that here and I'm not allowed to do it in town everywhere. I'm not. So I'm going to do that and maybe walk around my neighborhood where Mike's with me. But then when I edit the video, I'll take out street names and blur the people and stuff so people don't come and find me, you know. Not that anyone wants to. But yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep you entertained. For subscribers, there will be a weekend video now and again. I will make sure because I have to work on that one. But for members, there will be a video every day of the weekend. Then, Sandy is collaborating with me on the memberships. So if you're a member of my channel, now not a member, you're a member, not a subscriber, subscribers for free. If you're a member, now there is, when we reach certain goals, you will see she's also a member. We have private chats, private emails, private everything, the members. Now when we reach to a certain point of members, she does a spin of the wheel and someone gets a free Wattobizz cross stitch. So that is amazing. And that's not even all. All my members, as long as you're a member, you get a 10% discount at Wattobizz from Sandy. As soon as a member leaves, we'll just change the code. Now for all members that's watching that, you guys know you've got the code already. It's there for you to use. It does not end. And that's amazing. It is wonderful. And then there's one last thing that's coming up. I've been struggling to actually get my camera and get everything just connected so I can do a live. Now, I think I've won. So, yeah, there we're going to do lives as well. I'm struggling with the times. The times of, because our times are totally confused. So, I don't know if late at night or earlier. We're going to need to talk about that. I'll have a poll with specific times and we will schedule it like that. Now that is still not all. There's a stitch along with me on Wattobizz on Saturdays, but the date will be announced. Now, do you see, there's a lot of plans for 2025. It's going to be a big busy year and I'm super excited about it. I still want to do, like, if we do like the backstitch week, we will, that week we will cancel the stuff, but we'll prepare and you'll know when it is and we'll do it then. Or when we do a marathon, then of course the marathon will take over the videos that will be in those specific dates, except for the member videos don't change. They will be there every Saturday and Sunday. So we need to give leeway for some stuff to happen, but it will happen. Busy times ahead. Now I'm hoping that you are having a fantastic Christmas. I appreciate you all. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to see something else, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. I think I've got quite a busy schedule going for me here, but I have managed to figure out how to pre-record. That's a plus. So if something happens, I'll pre-record some stuff. There'll always be something for you. For everyone that asked about Abby, Abby is doing much better. We are on that, and a lot of things has to happen again in the new year so that we can finally just permanently know what's going on, because we can't find out or pinpoint what is going on. Mike is on holiday, he's good. Alex is good, the family is good. So everything is good. And I hope you and your family is good. Hope you're having a wonderful Christmas lunch or dinner, however you do it. And I hope you got spoiled rotten. Now that will be all from me. I'll see you very soon. Enjoy Christmas Day. Lots of love. Sanet.